Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you know the story behind Bircher Müesli, it's time to make it. We'll go through the original Swiss method step by step so you can enjoy this classic, nourishing breakfast at home. Serving suggestions, finishing touches in the morning. When you pull the container out of the fridge in the morning, the mixture will be thick, almost like a dense paste. It really has the perfect consistency immediately. Serving involves 2 easy steps. Thinning and topping. Thinning. Add a splash of fresh milk, yogurt, or water to achieve your preferred consistency. Add liquid slowly, as a little goes a long way. Toppings. Bircher Müesli serves as the base. Add fresh seasonal fruits for texture contrast and flavor. Suggestions include fresh berries, sliced bananas, more chopped nuts for crunch, or a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. These finishing touches should be added right before eating to keep them fresh and crisp. Health benefits and creative ways to customize your breakfast bowl. Choosing Bircher Müesli as a go-to breakfast offers substantial health payoffs. Furthermore, the base recipe is endlessly adaptable, preventing flavor burnout. Why this breakfast is a powerhouse of fiber and energy. Bircher Müesli stands out because it utilizes the whole grains of the oats. Whole grain oats provide slow-releasing energy, which keeps you full and focused throughout the morning. They rank impressively high in dietary fiber, which greatly assists digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar. The addition of raw fruit and nuts boosts the nutritional profile significantly. You gain important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the apple and whatever fruit you add in the morning. The nuts provide healthy fats and protein, making this a balanced, complete meal. Because it's so easy to prepare in large batches, Bircher Müesli is a fantastic meal prep option for busy weeks. Flavor swaps, easy ways to change your Bircher Müesli base. While the traditional recipe is delicious, swapping a few ingredients changes the entire profile. These substitutions maintain the core technique of soaking oats and apples but introduce new excitement. Liquid alternatives. Trade dairy milk for coconut milk or almond milk for a richer, nutty flavor profile. If you prefer a very creamy consistency, use Greek yogurt mixed with a little water. Spice it up. Add a pinch of aromatic spices to the dry oats before soaking. Cinnamon or cardamom work exceptionally well with apples and impart warmth. Fruit swaps. If you don't have an apple, try grating a firm pear into the mixture instead. The flavor is milder, but the consistency is similar. Add superfoods. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds when mixing everything together. Chia seeds absorb liquid, making the muesli extra thick and adding omega-3 fatty acids without changing the flavor much. The Swiss secret to better mornings. Bircher Müesli remains a time-saving, delicious and historically rich breakfast. It is incredibly easy to add this genuine Swiss recipe to your busy morning routine. By using the traditional mix of grated apple and lemon juice, you achieve a flavor profile far superior to standard overnight oats. It offers sustained energy and high fiber content, setting you up for a productive day. We encourage you to try the authentic recipe. Experiment with your favorite seasonal additions, adapting this simple, healthy breakfast to become your own Swiss secret for quick, wholesome eating. In this video, you've learned not only the traditional preparation of Bircher Müesli but also the fascinating story behind its creation. This is the breakfast that inspired countless modern variations of overnight oats, yet none truly match its simplicity and nutritional value. Make it part of your morning routine, and discover why the Swiss have relied on it for over a century. In this video, we explore not just a recipe but a lifestyle built around mindful eating, balance, and natural nourishment. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.